Hello everyone, start news. Let's go. New poems, wonderful world. Great wide, beautiful, wonderful world, with the wonderful water around you curled, and the wonderful grass upon your breast. World, you are beautifully dressed. The wonderful air is over me, and wonderful wine is sacking the tree. It walks on the water and mirrors the meals and talks to itself on the poet on the tops of the hills. You friendly earth, how far do you go? With the wheat fields and not and the rivers that flow. Within cities and gardens and cliffs and islets and pupils upon you for thousands of meals. Oh, you are so great and I am so small. I temple to think of you word at all. And yet when I said my prayers today, a whisper inside me seemed to say, you are more than the earth, though you are such a dot. You can love and things, and the earth cannot. So guys, if you like this video, so like, share and subscribe our channel's MPG support.